Once upon a time, many years ago, a wolf cub lived in forest near tall mountains. He belonged to pack. One night, there was a terrible storm. All of the wolves ran to seek shelter, but this wolf was not a fast runner.
He became separated and got lost. He didn't know where the other wolves went. The wolf cub lived by himself and felt very alone. One night he saw something shining on the on the mountaintop. He was curious and climbed to see where the light was coming from. When he got to the top, he saw a campfire. He found light and warmth, and it made him happy. He let out a song, howl, long howl.
Look at me, here with this warm fire. Everyone is welcome to join me.
A small pack of wolves came and gathered around the fire, and the lone cub was happy and let out a howl, and they all joined. They danced and howled, and this was the first campfire song. After the howling, a wolf went to the center and raised his paws and applied with joy. The lone wolf wanted to know where the wolves came from. The pack was excited to tell their story, but their way of storytelling was new to him. They all acted out a part. The lone cub liked watching how they told the story, and this way to tell a story known as a skit. They were so happy to watch their story that he did a flip. This was the first stunt at a campfire. They fell asleep and invited the lone cub to join. Their pack the next morning.
Just walk over to him. I can't. Watch their skit.
As the other wolves left, the lone wolf thought about all the fun he had and didn't want to lose the magic of the campfire. He scooped up some of the cool ashes from the campfire and placed them in his handkerchief and put it around his neck.
I will carry the spirit of the campfire with me always. I will put these ashes in the next campfire so it will be full of this cheerful spirit.
He then ran away to join his new pack.
All right, good job, Wolves. Good job. Thanks. Very nice.